What's up, guys? Just checking in real quick. Got a 22 or 23, can't remember which one, Tesla Model S Plaid. Got some ambient lighting going on. It's been a while since I did a Tesla, so this is for you Tesla guys. But even if you don't have a Tesla, just remember these kits are universal. So if you're going to try it yourself, or if you want me to do it, you can pretty much make these things work on any car. You just got to get creative. But let's show you what we got going on here. So first, let me get the key. How about that? So looking inside, you can see all the lights and stuff are in fact off. So when we get in, it's going to start powering up. You can kind of see it doing its thing here. It's got like the little sequence I'm sure you guys have seen. So it's going to turn on. And then it's going to start doing the rainbow. So just like all the other Teslas, I love putting it right here in this trim. It fits really nicely. Same thing, kind of mimic it across the dash here. Passenger side. And let's see if I can do the back seats. So, back doors. Floor area. Both front and rear. The rear is a little bit harder to see because of the weather text. They kind of kiss right up against the seat, but they are back there. But I also did center console. Just like in all the other videos, this is app controlled, so you can pick whatever color you want. You can turn the power up sequence on and off. You don't have to have that little ball moving around and wait for that. You can have it to where it just automatically turns on and stuff like that. You can also select the color and the mode for the power up sequence. You can pick a solid color. You don't have to have the rainbow, but it does do rainbow. It does all kinds of different modes, chasing, all that jazz. But let me get out so you can kind of get a better look here. So these Teslas always turn out awesome looking. So a lot of you guys like to kind of see the strips. So the strips are the really, let's see if we can kind of get a clear view here. They are the nice, real thin acrylic strips. And then somebody actually asked to see what they look like with the actual vehicle off. I'm gonna have a hell of a time doing this because it's Tesla. Let's see if I can get the vehicle to turn off. Let's do this. So we're gonna roll the window down. Get out. Alright, so the doors are going to shut off. Let's see what it is here. So, as you can see with the car off, or if you powered them off, they're almost invisible. Same thing along the dash here. Oh, let's see if I can. So, there you go. So, as you can see, with the car off, they're pretty much invisible. Or like I said, if you power them off, you don't have to have them on. You can turn them on and off through the app. Again, with it on, you can pick a solid color. It don't have to be color changing. But yeah, just like in all my other videos, if you have any questions or anything at all, let me know. If you want to order a kit, I do sell them. I do ship them out to you. So message me at Jake Bradford Designs on Instagram. No, I don't have a website or anything yet. Maybe in the future, we'll see. If you're in the Maryland area and you want me to do the install, again, just message me on Jake Bradford Designs. I would love to help you out. And till next time, thanks for watching. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Till next time, see ya.